Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q60 3.0 Premium Plus rear-wheel drive coupe. If you're in the market for a sport luxury coupe, the Q60 is a great choice. 2017 is an excellent year for the Q60 because it got a complete ground-up redesign, replacing the older Q60/G37. The older Q60 was pretty much just a G37 rebadge. Infiniti changed all their names, so the old design, as cool as it was and as beautiful as it was kind of getting a little bit long in the tooth. So 2015 was the last year of the old body style Q60/G37, which design dates all the way back to 2008. So this is a much more modern look. There was no 2016, they skipped right to 2017 with the redesign, and it's absolutely stunning. One of the best looking cars you can buy. Don't take my word for it. Even Car and Driver had an article that 10 best cars you can buy, or 10 best looking cars you can buy, I'm sorry. And the Q60 was on it. It's absolutely stunning, and I think you'll agree when you look at some pictures, or especially if you come in and see it in person. Really seeing it in person does it the best justice on its looks and beautiful lines. We have the original build sheet on this one. When this was new, this was $52,405. It's from sunny California. We have the semi-inline leather seats. Leatherette is standard, leather is optional. $1,350 for the upgraded semi-inline leather seats. Then we have the driver's assistance package. That was $2,250, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, front and rear parking sensors, and around view monitor with moving object detection, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert, and then you also get rain sensing windshield wipers. Then the Premium Plus package, that was $3,200, giving you Infiniti InTouch navigation with voice recognition, Navi synchronized adaptive shift control. So the way adaptive shift control works is it will momentarily hold the car in gear for better acceleration out of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. But Navi synchronization takes it a step further because the navigation system can see upcoming road conditions, and the transmission can prepare itself for those. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, lost my place here. Oh, here we go. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, power tilt telescoping steering column with memory. Then you have the dual occupant memory seats for driver, mirror, and steering column settings, driver seat power lumbar support, and auto dimming exterior mirrors. Then we have the illuminated kick plates. That was $400. So obviously a lot of equipment on this one. It's always good to look at the fine print. And if you have questions about the build sheets on a Q60 that you're looking at, feel free to ask us. Even if you're not buying it from us, we can pull these up and we'll be happy to help you make an educated decision. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings. You have snow, eco, standard, sport, and personal. You'll notice that the Q60 has two screens. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. We have our 360-degree around view monitor. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. You can personalize it a little bit more. Active traction control will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. Nice leather up steering wheel. This one has 33,911 miles at the time of making this video. Automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener. Bose Performance Series audio system. If you like music, you'll definitely love the Bose audio system. Really nice color combination in silver on black. The Q60 is available in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Most people like all-wheel drive in the Pacific Northwest because of our wet, slippery weather. In the snow, all-wheel drive is a little bit more preferable. But these Q60s are hard to find, so we do stock some rear-wheel drive ones. People will also get these with rear-wheel drive because you know, we don't really have too much snow here in the lowlands, so you can survive here pretty well with a rear-wheel drive vehicle. You're not going to obviously have the same wet weather performance as all-wheel drive, but with the rear-wheel drive, it's a little bit lighter than all-wheel drive. Gets a little bit better gas mileage, a little bit lower maintenance costs since you don't have to worry about servicing the all-wheel drive system. And then in the drive with the weight savings, a little bit lower ground clearance, a little bit lower ride height, you get a little bit better performance with the rear-wheel drive versus the all-wheel drive in the dry. And yeah, the all-wheel drives also have about an inch higher ride height too. So when you look at a rear-wheel drive versus an all-wheel drive, the rear-wheel drive looks like they kind of squat a little bit lower. Almost looks like it has like a slight like lowering kit on it, but that's the way it is from the factory. Beautiful automobile, absolutely gorgeous. It's built on the same platform as the Nissan 370Z, so you have excellent, excellent performance of all that sport car DNA built into it. They call it the Advanced Front Midship platform. The reason why they call it that is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible. So it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle. And the reason why they do that, the center of gravity is more towards the middle, and that helps give it as close to 50-50 weight distribution as possible. Helps it rotate on its axis a little bit better through the corners, improves the handling and feel. The heart of the Q60 is a VR30 twin turbo V6. This was the first time you could get a turbocharged engine in the Q60. So this is a new engine for the Q60 in 2017. This version pumps out 300 horsepower. You have two small turbos, one for each bank of the cylinder. The smaller turbos are able to react quicker, so that improves the responsiveness of the engine versus using one big turbo. You have direct injection, 300 horsepower, and this engine has a little bit more low on grunt and is more smoother and more fuel efficient than the VQ37 engine it replaces, which is also a fantastic engine. With 300 horsepower, this is a really quick vehicle. And look at the lines of this Q60, it's absolutely stunning. One beautiful coupe. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.